Hello everyone, myself Kajal from Government Other Senior Secondary School, Blairkhur, Tarantaran. Here I am describing about the Sathi app. Sathi platform developed by the Ministry of Education in collab with IIT Kanpur. It is free of cost education platform designed to help students for competitive exams. The study material provided along with question bank, DPPs, NCERT solution assessment. In our school, I and my colleagues have faced many difficulties for competitive exam preparation, but Sathi app has solved all the problems. The faculty that teaches the subject is clearing the concept from basics to the high level. The teachers and the students got opportunity to learn from such faculties. A special thankful to all the members of the Sathi app.